Good morning. My name is Krishna Tejas Mishra. I study in class 7. Today I am going to tell you about Jodhpur Railway Station. Jodhpur Railway Station is a major railway station in the city of Jodhpur located in the state of Rajasthan, India. It is one of the busiest railway stations in the state and is an important transportation hub in the region. The station is located in the heart of the city and is served by several trains from major Indian cities including Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. The station has several amenities for passengers including waiting rooms, food stalls, bookstores and luggage storage facilities. It also has a railway museum which showcases the history and development of railways in the region. The museum has several exhibits including antique railway equipment, photographs and documents. Jodhpur Railway Station is known for its beautiful architecture which combines elements of Rajasthani and Mughal styles. The station building is made of red sandstone and features intricate carvings and decorative elements. The station is also known for its clock tower, which is a prominent landmark in the city. Overall, Jodhpur Railway Station is an important transportation hub and a popular tourist destination in the city of Jodhpur. Recently, it has been awarded as the most cleanest city stations in the country. Thank you.